Ya, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today we would like to present our final activity report, which is cashier application development for small and intermediary enterprises. So here are the group members. Me, lalu Muhammad Riza Rizky, and there is also Salsabila Rinaldi, Muhammad Farhan Audianto, Yusran Hanan Zaidi Intinan, and Rahmatur Ramadan. Okay, so the background is to fulfill our duty for informatics for society, we are voluntarily helping a nearby small business, which is nearby one of our members' area. It is currently growing thrift shop located in Pekanbaru, Riau. We are voluntarily helping the business by providing a software that allows the business to have a better transaction management. The reason that the software to be made is that due to the increasing demands of goods, which is in this case clothing in the shop, the transaction record will also be increasing. During these cases, some shops might be having difficulty to manage their transaction records, and one of our members is a friend of the thrift shop owner, hence the reason that the software is made. The purpose of the software is to do transaction history management, financial report generation, and cashier application.
So our target profile is all dedicated. It's a thrift shop that located in a Pekanbaru and handled by 4 until 5 people. Goals of our activity are increase efficiency in the work of financial management process such as data processing, data recap, bookkeeping. Hopefully can reduce the processing time at least 50%. Then help process transaction, especially reduce the time of the process. And the last, creating user-friendly application.
So for the software development, we use PHP language, web-based, but using localhost. For the Wi-Fi, we create the dashboard, transaction page, and login page.
And for the activity diagram, in this case, in this presentation, we only put the main function of our application, the transaction process. So there are two organizations. First is customer, and the second is cashier. And then for the first one is the customer bring item to the cashier, and then cashier receive item list, and then cashier add item list to the chart, and then cashier tell the customer the total money to pay, and then the customer receive information the total money that the customer should pay, and then customer pay to the cashier as asked, and then the cashier receive the money, and then cashier take out the chart item, and then the cashier will check is there any change. If no, so it will be end the transaction process. But if there is any change, then the cashier will give the change to the customer, and then the customer receive the change from cashier, and then the transaction considering as done. And then the next is software interface, as Rahmat already mentioned before, from the wireframe. Basically, the template, we have a layout that's totally same in every pages, like header, navbar, and then the footer. This is the one is the item list. And then this one is a sales report. So the thrift shop that we already give this application, they can manage their financial report from the year, the date, and etc. And then this one is from the cashier that we already mentioned in activity diagram before, is the main function. And this one is the dashboard.
For the database, we use 7 tables. The 7 tables are login, toko, member, penjualan, kategori, barang, and nota.
This is an activity that we do in this thrift shop. On the left, this is a photo of me with the owner in yellow shirt with a banner from this activity, and the one on the right is an activity where the owner is testing this application. Based on the result of my interview with the owner, this application has fulfilled the initial goal of this project, which can be seen here that the owner takes about around 20 minutes to do bookkeeping or financial management because it's still done manually. For transaction, this application also helps this shop because it can speed up transaction where previously it took 5 minutes. After using this application, it only takes about 2 minutes. Based on the result from the Google Form given to owner, employee, and customer, it can be seen that this cashier application is quite helpful and they are quite satisfied with this application. And this application is quite easy to understand for beginner. The design provided in this application is also quite interesting too.
And that's all from us. Thank you very much for this presentation. And yeah, thank you if watching until then, and see ya.